Welcome, 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 sir. Thank you.
A very good morning and a warm welcome to our chief guest for today. With a big round of applause once more, we welcome you, sir. And it has been very generous of him to accept our invitation. Shadan Zeb, sir, is a 2001 batch officer of the Indian Railways, IRPFS. Sir has studied in Aligarh Muslim University. He is originally from Bihar and he is presently DIG cum Chief Security Commissioner, RPF South Central Railways, Hyderabad. Sir has served as Secretary Central Waqf as a Senior Commanding Officer and of Commanding Battalion and Senior Divisional Security Commissioner. Sir has held many such posts, and not only in India but he has studied abroad in University of London, RMIT University, in Massachusetts Institute of Technology, and in University of Pittsburgh. Sir has done a lot of courses, and sir is also very enthusiastic about fitness, that you can see looking at him. Thank you so much, sir, for being here. This is a mini marathon that we are organizing today. Actual marathon is of course difficult for our little ones to run, but I hope they will grow up to be very fit and sportive, athletic, and they will run marathons and bring laurels to the country. I hope that some of our students will reach the Olympics and run the marathon there. That is the almost 42 kilometers. So all the best students for the mini marathon today, and be careful, don't push each other. Okay, it is the spirit of the game that is important. Winning is not everything, and all the best to you all. And I request sir now to please speak a few words.
Management of the Medina Education Center, dear students, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. This is indeed a great pleasure to be amongst you this morning, just after finishing my morning course of running and walking, and to be amongst you to flag off a marathon race for you. So this is very befitting for the kind of routine I follow, and I'm very happy that the school is giving lot of trust to fitness. We should remember on this occasion that India has started a path of fitness known as Fit India movement, and when you participate in such kind of events, you are part of the larger event, that is Telangana Formation Day celebrations going on in the state, and you are also part of the event that is Fit India movement. And so I congratulate the school, the management, and all the young participants. This is the spirit which will also help you excelling in academics, because it is the marathon race, it is the race which also teaches us life is also a race. Like you prepare for a marathon race, you need to have lot of patience, you need to have perseverance, you need to have concentration. In a way, a very spiritual experience, because your attention should not go anywhere. You have to focus on your target, and therefore people say that even if you have a look on the life of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you will find these very rare qualities which made him stand all the adversities in the initial years. That is patience, perseverance, focus, that yes, if I remain patient, I maintain the consistency, and I have a perseverance in me, I will achieve the goal. Same set of qualities will take you higher in your academic career also, in your learning journey also. And therefore, you all need a special congratulation that you have taken an important step to be part of this fitness movement, to be part of this marathon race, which will certainly teach you many lessons. And I would also exhort that you must focus, you must make your target big. This is what marathon taught me, that your target is 42 kilometers, your target is 26 miles. Today you are starting with a baby marathon, that's all. For future, your target should be that I will be an actual marathon runner. And those who run marathon, what is their target to reach? Their mecca of marathon is Boston Marathon. They eye Boston as their journey, as their destination, that yes, we have to qualify for the Boston Marathon. Not important what kind of weather it is. It is not important that today the sun is very hot, sun is very near, the weather is not good. Those who decide that I have to achieve the goal, they do not focus on weather. Likewise, in life, in your learning journey, you will get many troubles, many hindrances, will face many difficulties. But if you are a marathon runner, if you believe in yourself that you can do it, you have planned for it, you will certainly achieve your goal. This is my dua also, that you all, whatever you have thought of to be in your life, may Allah help you to reach your goal, your destination. Thank you so much for inviting me. Shukriya. Jai Hind.
Now, I would like Seema of 10th grade to give us insights on Telangana Formation Day in English.
United we stand, united we grow. Telangana, our identity, our pride. Greetings everyone, I am Seema from grade 10 and I'm honored to stand before you today as we celebrate Telangana's Formation Day, the day of immense significance for the people of our state. On this day, June 2nd, we commemorate the formation of Telangana, the youngest state in India. This day marks the culmination of decades of struggle, sacrifices, and an unhealed spirit of people who demanded for a separate state that reflects their unique identity, culture, and aspiration. Telangana, with its rich historical and cultural tapestry, has always been a land of diversity and heritage. From the mighty forts of Golconda to the architectural splendor of Charminar, our state is a glorious past. And our festivals such as Bonalu and Batukama are not just celebrations, but the reflections of our deep-rooted traditions and communal harmony. Moreover, in the agricultural sector of Telangana, with innovative irrigation projects like Mission Kakatiya and Kaleshwaram Lift Irrigation Scheme, these projects have not only enhanced water availability, but have also transformed the agrarian landscape of our state. As we celebrate Telangana Day, it is a moment to reflect on our responsibilities as a citizen. It is a reminder of the power of unity, perseverance, and the importance of working together towards a common goal. We must continue to strive for inclusive growth, ensuring that the development of our state should reach every corner of our state, from the serene villages to the bustling cities. As Mahatma Gandhi once said, the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. So let us serve our state with dedication and unity. Our voice, our vision, our victory. Thank you, Jai Telangana.
I request Principal Ma'am to pass the lit candle to Maria Ma'am. And Maria Ma'am to pass the torch to our Chief Guest. Now I request our esteemed Chief Guest to hand over the torch to Muhammad Ali Ahmed, a Madinite who represented India and brought bronze medal for the country at international level Taekwondo championship which was held at Malaysia. To receive the school flag, we request Sharifa Zainab of Last but not the least, we have the young to receive the flag from our Chief Guest, Mr. Sadan Lecture.
We ride and sway. Our school missions is far and wide. We ran from gutters and from nations fly. March forward and we shall rise. Oh, come and join Medina's private pride. March forward and we shall rise. Oh, come and join Medina's private pride. much we respect our beacon of light. On Patuane, they're proven bright. Our farmers' mission, they forward and fight. Madina school flag shall fly very high. March forward and we shall rise. Oh, come and join Madina's flag with pride. March forward.
आज मदीना एजुकेशन सेंटर के इस स्कूल का मैराथन रन की शुरुआत करने के लिए हाजिर हुआ था मैं, और देखकर बहुत अच्छा लगा। ये अभी से इस उम्र से बच्चों को फिटनेस की आदत स्कूल डलवा रही है। एजुकेशन तो स्कूल में अच्छे ख़राब हो सकते हैं, लेकिन फिटनेस एक वो चीज़ है जो बच्चों को अपने लर्निंग जर्नी में भी बहुत मदद करती है। और ये इस स्कूल ने मैंने देखा कि इस बात को प्रायोरिटी बनाई है कि बच्चे बच्चियां सारे क्लासेस के मौजूद और इस अर्ली मॉर्निंग रनिंग के लिए। और जैसा इनसे इंटरेक्शन करके पता चला कि इस तरह की एक्टिविटीज़ और स्पोर्ट्स एक्टिविटीज़ को इक्वल वो दिया जा रहा है, वेटेज दिया जा रहा है स्कूल में, जो बहुत ही न सिर्फ इस स्कूल के लिए और इस स्टेट के लिए बल्कि इस नेशन के लिए बहुत हेल्दी बात है। क्योंकि एक फिट इंडिया मूवमेंट का पार्ट ये स्कूल ऑलरेडी है कि बच्चों को, अगर ये बच्चे जो कल के फ्यूचर हैं इस देश के, ये फिट होंगे, क्योंकि एक हेल्दी माइंड जो है वो एक हेल्दी बॉडी में रहेगा। तो इसलिए बहुत अच्छा लगा यहाँ इनके बीच आके, और स्कूल को, स्कूल के मैनेजमेंट को, डायरेक्टर मारिया मैम मौजूद है यहाँ, मैं इन सबों को मुबारकबाद देता हूँ कि ऐसी एक्टिविटीज़ स्कूल ने अपने शेड्यूल में रखी हुई हैं। और ये तेलंगाना फॉर्मेशन डे के ऑनगोइंग सेलिब्रेशन का पार्ट था। ये जानकर और अच्छा लगा कि स्कूल अपने एनवायरनमेंट से, अपने स्टेट से, अपने देश के साथ इतने अच्छे से इंटीग्रेटेड है, और वो सारी एक्टिविटीज़ जो नेशनल प्रायोरिटीज़ में है, जो स्टेट की प्रायोरिटीज़ में, स्कूल उसको अंजाम दे रहा है। मैं मुबारकबाद देता हूँ स्कूल को इस काम के लिए, और बहुत ऑनर्ड फील किया मैंने कि इस अच्छे कोशिश का, इस अच्छी इनिशिएटिव का, फिटनेस की इनिशिएटिव का मैं पार्ट बना। शुक्रिया।
हेलो एवरीवन, वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग टू यू ऑल। एक मिनी मैराथन, और हमारे चीफ गेस्ट थे शादान ज़ेब खान, जो DIG कम चीफ सिक्योरिटी ऑफिसर हैं साउथ सेंट्रल रेलवेज के। ही इज़ अ सिविल सर्वेंट फ्रॉम द 2001 बैच। तो सर ने बच्चों को बहुत मोटिवेट किया, एड्रेस किया। आज हम मिनी मैराथन एक किलोमीटर का ही कर रहे हैं, बट हमारा मेन मकसद ये है कि बच्चों को फिटनेस एंथुसियास्ट बनाए, बच्चों को एंकरेज करें स्पोर्ट्स और फिट रहने की तरफ। और एक फिट इंडिया के मूवमेंट के हम भी पार्ट हैं। हमारा स्कूल के पास सर्टिफिकेट है फिट इंडिया का, एंड हमारे स्टूडेंट्स CPSE क्लस्टर्स में, खेलो इंडिया में नेशनल लेवल तक पार्टिसिपेट कर चुके हैं, कर रहे हैं। आर्चरी, शूटिंग, टाइक्वांडो, कराटे, स्विमिंग, स्केटिंग, टेबल टेनिस, ऐसी कई एक्टिविटीज़ हैं हमारे पास, जो क्योंकि हम मानते हैं कि ये सब एक्टिविटीज़, स्पोर्ट्स, फिटनेस जो है पार्ट ऑफ एजुकेशन है। तो हमारे पास न सिर्फ एकेडमिक्स के ऊपर ध्यान दिया जाता है, बल्कि हम स्पोर्ट्स और एक्टिविटीज़ के ये तरफ भी बहुत ध्यान देते हैं, ताकि बच्चों का ओवरऑल डेवलपमेंट हो। और शादान साहब ने भी आज उन्होंने वो प्रमोट कर रहे थे कि किस तरह बच्चों के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है फिट रहना, और स्कूल लेवल पे ये इनकलकेट करना बच्चों में बिहेवियर बहुत ज़रूरी है। And I appreciate all our PD teachers and our teachers, our students, our parents who have cooperated to make this event a grand success. Thank you so much.
Now coming on the results of marathon, the third place was backed by two students, Maiza Fatima Afnan, and it was shared with first place is backed by Nora Ilham of London. Big round of applause for all the winners, boys and girls. Yes, yes. Claps, everybody. Thank you. By Sayyid Muhammad Hashmi. And the marathon champion, Abdullah Faiz. Education Department, we want to present a little token of love for Maria ma'am. Let's share it for Maria ma'am.
Congratulate all the students who have very actively and very enthusiastically participated in this marathon. You were really looking like professional marathon, participants. I hope and pray that you all will go into wonderful marathon participants. May you all be blessed. Thank you especially to the physical science department, that is Amir sir. Please clap for him. Aruna Jyoti ma'am. And special thanks to Nusrat ma'am for being the coordinator. She was, and everyone, all the staff members who have really very happily and enthusiastically been a part of this marathon. I'm sure many more marathons we'll have in our school, and next time you will fare better, inshallah. All the best and thank you very much.